The delivery of content provides many opportunities to enhance the learning environment. Here are a few suggestions and best practices to keep in mind when speakers are delivering content live in the classroom. For lecture-based instructional methods, it is important to utilize presenter notes to allow speakers the ability to provide only brief summaries on each slide. Also, to ensure that the content being delivered aligns with the designated time frame scheduled. It is equally important to ensure the learning outcomes are measurable and avoid verbs such as understand, familiarize, learn, study, or comprehend, but focus on action verbs such as differentiate, classify, interpret, analyze, or define. Helpful reminders for lectures are maintaining eye contact while delivering content makes a connection with the students in class, as well as makes the lesson feel more conversational. During the live presentation, the recording software does not show a laser pointer. Instead, use of the mouse and cursor can be utilized and will appear in the recording software. Unlike other sessions, a lecture supports a learning environment that is fully delivered by the faculty and does not include polling questions or questions presented to students in the live classroom during the presentation. These few delivery tips, when applied correctly, can increase the learning outcomes for students in any synchronous session. For more delivery tips, please check the resources listed below or contact the Educational Development Team.